Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're out planting panicle hydrangeas today. They're absolutely wonderful, flowering non-stop, end of June right up until October. Now there are a whole range of panicle hydrangeas named after different mountain ranges. This is a lovely magical hydrangea called Matterhorn. It's got enormous flowers. They start off green first, then they turn white and pink as we move into late summer and autumn. Really reliable variety. Height, realistically, it's going to be about 4.5 feet high and about the same across, and non-stop flowers end of June right through until at least the end of September time. So I'm going to put a little bit of super dry planting fertilizer at the bottom. It's off to a good start, and we've some well compost gone in there as well. And you see the size of planting hole, decent sized planting hole. If you dig a small hole for your plants, put them in poor soil, jammed into poor soil, put a little bit of bark on top, everything isn't well. You need all this good stuff down there. So that's the super thrive gone in there down at the bottom. Very important planting fertilizer for your perennial flowers, your roses, your hydrangeas, climbing plants, anything you're planting out in the ground. Super thrive needs to go in at the bottom first. So we're going to take out our hydrangea Matterhorn out of his pot now. Little teasing out for the roots, they're not bad. And settle them in just same depth as the surrounding soil. You can see all that lovely, we're going to have nice compost and soil back in around here for this hydrangea to run its roots into and establish very well. We cut it hard back every spring to make sure we get lots and lots of fresh growth and fresh flowers on it every year. Here for years and years to come, giving us months and months of colour. So mixture of well compost and soil come back in around the plant again. I'm going to give it a light firming in, and of course it'll be here for years and years to come, giving us months and months of colour on strong stems that don't need any support. Really tough, hardy hydrangeas. That's Hydrangea Magical Matterhorn, settle in there for years and years to come. End of June right through until end of September flowering. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.